Ready to dive into the world of crypto but need to fund your Coinbase account with euros? Let's get those euros moving. First, logged into your Coinbase account, you'll want to head over to the Assets tab. It's usually found on the left-hand side menu or at the bottom of your screen on mobile. Once you're there, look for the deposit button. It might be blue or prominently displayed. Give it a click. A new window will pop up asking you which currency you want to deposit. Select euro from the drop-down menu. This is crucial to ensure your funds are processed correctly. Now, you'll see the available deposit methods for euros. The most common and often cheapest method is a bank transfer using SEPA, which stands for Single Euro Payments Area. Select Bank Transfer SEPA. Pay very close attention here. Coinbase will provide you with their bank details, the bank name, their IBAN, and their BIC SWIFT code. You absolutely must include the unique reference code in your bank transfer. This code tells Coinbase that the money is coming from you. Without it, your deposit might get delayed or even lost. Open your online banking app or visit your bank in person and create a new transfer. Enter the Coinbase bank details exactly as they appear on your screen. Make absolutely sure to include the reference code in the designated field, usually labeled as reference, payment details, or description. It's always a good idea to start with a small amount, like Y10, to test the process. This confirms that everything is set up correctly before you transfer larger sums. After initiating the transfer from your bank, it usually takes 13 business days for the funds to appear in your Coinbase account. You can check the assets page to see when your euros have arrived and are ready to use. Now, you're all set to buy crypto with your euros.